public speaking training courses. They are not made to be the same. They want to sell you, they want to help you, so they say, but a lot of them are lacking. I encourage you to do your due diligence. Hi, my name is Darren LaCroix. I'm the 2001 World Champion of Public Speaking, competing against 35,000 contestants. But more importantly than that, I've been training presenters and executives from around the world for over 3 decades. Here's my question for you to check with them. Without actual feedback, going through a course, especially if it's an online course, you just don't know if people are actually absorbing the content. What you also need is a step-by-step process. People need a process to follow. We literally wrote the book on how to deliver unforgettable presentations. My speech from the World Championship was in 2001. People are still talking about that speech and my fall, which was the essence of my message, decades later. Look, you don't have to have your message stick for decades later. But what about 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months after your presenters, your speakers, or maybe even you present? We need to make that the goal, that people remember. And if you want them to remember, the presentation must elicit emotion. If you're pitching to a team, your business, we've got to engage them on their pain points. So we literally walk you through a 7-step process to help you. It's in our book, it's in our courses. But more importantly, if you can find a place that you can get qualified feedback, anyone can give feedback. I love Toastmasters. It's a great organization. It's what helped me get started. What I've found, though, is a lot of people now getting feedback from Toastmasters. You're getting feedback from other people who are still trying to figure it out. Their heart's in the right place. I was a member of Toastmasters for 4 years until I met my coach, Mark Brown. Mark Brown looked at my speech, first version, and in 2 minutes he said, "Oh, Darren, we have some work to do." What? I did everything he told me to do. But what did he see in those 2 minutes that I couldn't see after 7 years in 4 Toastmaster clubs? I designed Stage Time University to be a place where good presenters become unforgettable. So whether you're just getting started or if you're a seasoned pro, even better, we work with CEOs from an organization called YPO, Young Presidents Organization, and we walk them through a process. And we've even helped some of them who have never told a story before in front of a big crowd. Now, in front of 1,000 people, they tell their heart-wrenching story they've never told before, and they got standing ovations. That happens with a proven process and qualified feedback. So I encourage you, if you're looking for a public speaking training course or courses, check out Stage Time University. This is what we do. We've helped thousands and thousands of people around the world become good presenters, and many of them who really put it to work become unforgettable. So do your due diligence, but check out Stage Time University. We help good presenters become unforgettable. Check us out.
Check out StageTimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.